headed on a road trip right now. About to top off on fuel here. I'm going to plug in this Duracell cup holder power station. This is my tire pressure monitor sensor system here. It has a USB port opening, so that's charging up my phone, but that's taking a 12 volt port. This 12 volt port, that's my GPS, so my dash cam doesn't have a plug, so this will allow it to have a plug. So I'll have a plug for everything. It's a mess of wires here. Here's the cup holder power station, wires everywhere. It's a mess, but gotta run my dash cam and my GPS, and like I said, this is taking up a power port also. I have a 350-mile drive ahead of me, so perfect test for this power station. Let's see if it keeps everything on for the next several hours here. This cup holder power station lasted my entire road trip. That was a good initial test. Several hours of being on, still powering all my stuff. Here's some bonus footage. I'm at Chick-fil-A right now. And look at that line. I'm at 14.8 miles per gallon. By the time this is over, I think I'm going to be at 13, maybe even 12. This van does not like idling, but it's okay. AC's on. I even have AC in the back here, pointing at me. It's nice having AC again. About 22 minutes, and I'm still at 14.2. Only lost, I think, like 0.8. There's the line. It's a new way of life. Hopefully it ends soon. Tired of it. Headed home right now. Round 2 of road tripping with this power station. I have my dash cam, GPS, and MP3 player all plugged in at once. Headed home right now. 3:24 a.m. in the morning. 6 hours later, all my stuff is still powered on. It looks like this Duracell 12 volt cup holder power station is alright. It worked. All my stuff is still powered, which is good.